Prosecutor from Cobb County, Latonia Hines, with us this morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
And Charles Mittelstadt, defense investigator. You can find him on Twitter at DefenseMind. Charles, great to see you.
Good to see you guys.
All right. The prosecution's got to prove that he's lying. How do you prove a negative? How do you prove that someone's not telling the truth?
Well, one of the things is that you know whether or not you're actually wounded, and then there's qualification for actually getting the Purple Heart. And so if the prosecution can show, first of all, that he didn't actually qualify for the Purple Heart, then you're gonna be able to prove that when you're going to apply for the tag, that you should have known that you didn't qualify for this. And so it's kind of like the prosecution's got to prove and show that he actually did not get awarded the Purple Heart.
All right, Charles, how does he prove that, hey, listen, I got the Purple Heart? What do you bring in a piece of paper into court and say, look, it's right there?
And that's apparently what he's already done in some pretrial settings. So I've actually done FOIA requests before for DD-214s, and I've had a chance to see, Vinny, both of the documents, the one that's purported to be the one that he submitted, as well as the ones that are in response to different FOIA requests, I think, that the media has issued. And actually, the one that he submitted looks like an original DD-214. The problem is he doesn't have the Purple Heart, the actual Purple Heart to show for it. And then he has his commander who comes in who says, look, nobody under my command at that particular base ever was in combat. Right. And that's a big obstacle. And we also know there's a lot of witnesses as part of the state's case who are presumably going to come in and say, look, none of us.
So he's going to have to testify. I mean, that's the only chance he has is to come into court and testify and look the jury in the eyes.
One of the most critical things for being able to prove about the Purple Heart and being entitled to even say that you have the Purple Heart is being wounded at some point in time during one of the qualifications for a Purple Heart. And so, yes, he's going to have to testify, and it's going to be very interesting picking a jury. People hold people of military service with a lot of respect. And then for somebody who actually was wounded or somebody who actually has gotten the Purple Heart or have a family member, they will probably be very incensed by somebody else claiming to have been able to have qualified for it.
All right, the trial begins today. Your work's not done today. You're going to join us in the 7 o'clock hour on the ATL. Talk about this and some other cases as well. Thanks so much. Latonia Hines, Charles Mittelstadt. All right.